My husband and I are in Panama City for our 1 year anniversary, and we're staying at Hotel Rio Plaza, Panama. We're gonna show you guys our room, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's start from the front. When you come in, there is a map of the floor that we're on. So we're on the 31st floor, and that's our room. As you can see, let's see what's in this. This doesn't seem to be able to open. I guess it's just like the light.
Yeah, it can. I like it.
Oh, sorry. Babe, I gonna open it for me. Okay, so it's like internet.
No, the breaker.
Oh, so it's the breakers for the lights?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's that. On this side, we have our closet. And in the closet, we have hangers, an ironing board, a safe for your valuables, and an iron. There was also a comforter, but it's not on the bed. After passing the closet, we have this big full body mirror, which I absolutely love because I can use it for my outfits, taking pictures, you know, just see how I look and all of that good stuff. So I love this for me, yeah, especially. I'm going to go to the bathroom now because on the opposite side you have the bathroom. Let's see, you have 2 face basins. My husband and I can, you know, wash our faces and brush our teeth at the same time. And then you have this nice little mirror up here. I think this is from a makeup girlies. I don't really wear makeup like that, so I'm not really gonna use it, but I guess I can see my face like really well. Stuff to charge your phone or electronics. You have a towel right here, and then you have this rag and this shower cap. You have a hand soap right there, 2 glasses right here, and then you have a hair dryer, another towel on this side, and a bin. Alright, so over here you have a section for hygienic bags. You have your tissue, you have your toilet brush, and more tissue is under this. And then you have this nice little decor thing over here. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that in front of the face basins we have 2 mirrors and lights up top, and basically all of the lights are connected because we just turn on one switch and all of them come on. I think most rooms are either green or orange. Yeah, that's the theme, that's the colors for Rio. Like Jamaica's political parties. This is the shower. This is the door. You can open out and then close in. And then we have these right here. This one is for inside the shower. This one is for outside. This is how the shower looks. And we have different shower heads. We have that one, and we have an overhead shower head. And then there are some towels up here. It also comes with shower gel and shampoo, as you can see over here, those 2 bottles. So yeah, that's basically it for the bathroom. Oh, right here, face towels or paper towels as you would call it. By the way, there is hot water in the shower, and let me just test the water pressure for you guys. Face basins, very high water pressure. Yeah, and then for the shower, let me see what I can do. So this is for the overhead shower. Yup. But turn it off before it went up my phone. And then this is for the flexible shower, and of course you can change the mode of that. Yeah. And then this is for the bottom pipe, very high pressure as well. So when you exit the shower, that's the shower, well, the bathroom door, sorry. You have the light switches on the side right here. You have the AC thingy. And then over this side, you have cups, teacups, water, sugar, your coffee maker. We also have this thingy for whatever you want to use it for. You have a thong, yeah, ice or champagne or that type of stuff. Yeah, I guess this is some coffee. Yup. Because as I said, this is the coffee maker. Most people like coffee. I don't. You also have a mini fridge. It basically comes with one water, but I put an extra one in there. Alright, so leaving this to the area, we have our storage space. So this right here, you can put your suitcase, your handbags, whatever you want, anything luggage wise. And then you have a light above it. You also have two lights at the front after you enter, and the AC vents. Alright, and then we have our TV, or Panasonic TV, and then below that we have info booklets. We have a magazine, a directory, and a room service. This is for the TV. We have some other sockets, and then here now you basically have 4 drawers for your clothes while you're here, so you have a lot of space. And then you have a trash pan. So you have this nice little wall art here. As I said, the theme is green, so you have that nice little wall art as decor. Then you have this table. We practically use it for our dining table. You can use it for work or whatever you want to use it for. Another light and some more green decor. Yeah, another socket, 2 chairs. Let's come over this side, which is really pretty. So this is our bed. Of course, we have a huge king size bed. It can't even fit in on the phone, but yeah, that's it. Let me put it in. Yeah, this is the bed. That's babe over there. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
So yeah, this is our bed. Backdrop behind the bed and bed head, and then you have lights. So it's like a green light, very light green glass light. We have it on either sides of the bed, and then we also have these 2 little lights. So there's this sockets, more sockets, light switches for that bedside table. So we have one over here with a drawer, one on the other side with a drawer as well. These are what we got when we just came at the receptionist. Another light, another one of these, and sockets, and our phone, of course, for room service, operator, whatever. And then we have the sofa, another art thingy, which is also green. Yeah, so I really love the decor. It's very, very nice in terms of aesthetics. Yeah. And then we have this table also right in front of the sofa. Under it we have our shoes right now. And then we have green curtains as expected. Have green curtains with white in between. Best part, well, not say the best part, but one of the best parts is our view. So this is daytime. And I'll also put a nighttime view because I have one, so you can see the cars passing down there. You can see all these buildings and all that good stuff, because as I said, we're on the 31st floor, so we have a really nice view. A point of information to note: if you ever plan to come to Rio Plaza, Panama, you will need your room key to activate the lights in the room, and also to activate the elevator to get to and from your room. They don't always tell you at the front desk. Most times they do, but I'm telling you guys no. So if you plan to come here, make sure you remember that.
And the keys are very sensitive.
Yeah.
So try to avoid having your cell phones or anything
Metals.
with like, Bluetooth or anything like that, because it can I can't interfere with it. So
yeah, and lock you out of the elevator or out of your room. We've had to go to the lobby 2 times so far to change our keys, so just be careful with that. The lights are now on in the room. To turn off the lights, you remove your key from this little box, arrow facing down, and then to turn on the lights, you just insert your key in and the lights will come on. Ta-da! The only part in the elevator that is key free, which basically means you don't need a key, is the lobby. So if anything and you get locked out of the elevator or your room, you can just take the elevator down to the lobby and get that sorted out. Something else that I want to show you guys with the room, they have these 2 little thingies on the room. This one says please do not disturb. You have a black one that says please make up my room. So these are mainly for housekeeping, because you know sometimes you may not want any disturbance, so you put up this one in that case. But if you're out and about and you want them to clean up your room, you will put this one on your door. I really love these actually. I think this is the first hotel that I've gone and they have these 2 little hanger things. Pretty much it for the room tour here at Hotel Rio Plaza. It's been good so far, so I would recommend, and thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.